By the 5th stage, as we said earlier on, we are now in the 4th stage. The next stage that we are progressing towards is the 5th stage, the etheric region. There will be less moisture on the Earth planet. The Earth will lose moisture. And many people will have extended vision or spiritual vision and can see their departed loved ones, especially in the etheric region of the Earth planet. Converse with them and do other things with them. So that gap will be bridged when we move to the 5th stage. But it is the beginning of how humanity will eventually overcome death. Let us be reminded that spirit does not die, unlike the material bodies it is using in the various worlds when they become no more suitable for the spirit to use. What then is death? Death may be said to be the end of physical manifestation of life, where there is complete and permanent termination of all biological or vital functions of an organism. It is irreversible, even though there can be near-death cases, say to die and come back to life and live for some time before final death. There are talks about death and opinions are divided all over the world. It's all about which explanation is factual or reasonable or simply pleasing to the ears, so the individual makes a decision. The questions are, why should organisms die? Why should we die? What caused them to die? What can be done to delay or prevent death, if possible? Is there a way to prolong life? We're talking about longevity. Is there a way to do that? There are misgivings about death among humanity. Many people have misgivings. Generally, death is said not to be a pleasant thing for various reasons. 1, it brings about the loss of a loved one, and physically, we do not see him or her anymore. 2, there is the fear of the unknown. So when death comes up for discussion, fear grips many people, the rich and the poor, the old and the young, the good and the bad person. Fear grips everybody, more or less. Nobody seems to like death. And as William Shakespeare says, death is a fearful thing. Why the fear of death? Why should humanity fear death? In the Bible, death was the result of disobedience to God and the price humanity has to pay. We read in Genesis chapter 2 verse 17 as follows: "But of the tree of the knowledge of good and evil, thou shalt not eat of it, for in the day thou eatest thereof, thou shalt surely die." And then in verse 19 we read, "In the sweat of thy face shalt thou eat bread, till thou return unto the ground, for out of it wast thou taken. For dust thou art, and unto dust shalt thou return." Humanity is struggling to overcome the fear of death, leading to practices such as embalming and modern day cryonics. That is storage by freezing the dead in the hope that the person will be resurrected in the future. It is also the basis for the preservation of graves in many cultures, with the belief that the dead will be resurrected in the future. For example, the Jewish cemetery on the Mount of Olives, the mummification of kings, queens, and nobles in the pyramids of Egypt is yet another example. In fact, the fear of death has been with humanity for a very long time.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.